right here, actually, bro.
Hey, Pharoah, come outside, nigga. Hey, Pharoah.
Just record from there.
Yeah. Society side of me. Society lied to me.
Society lied to my.
I can't wait to drop on them. I can't wait to pop on them. Cause day after day, they throwing shade in the city. Don't get no love from the city. Turn my back to the city. Overreact to the city. Society lied to me.
Society lied to me.
Society side of me. Society lied to me.
I tell them we can get it poppin' like it's Vietnam. I'm the veteran them niggas never took care of. I'm the kid that them jokers scared of. Laying with these bitches like laying with bed bugs. Hold up, check it, bring me back, relax, man. I turn my back, cuz the niggas never ever loved the kid. And always wonder, fuck the hug the kid. Smoke the bud with kid, but never trust them. Niggas probably fucking bust them. Try to rob his pockets, but can't take him cause he too smart. He's awakened, niggas act like Satan. Niggas is always faking, perpetrating. I'm sweating like I ain't no Sway Lee. This ain't Ray Sherman. Me and Jay dumber than any niggas from it, the old town or any town. I'm with the town, but them niggas never noticed me. Them niggas always tried to push me out and tried to show to me, but never ever could show to me. Niggas never over me, I'm bold to be. I'm cold to be, yeah. Midwest living, kid. Midwest in this bitch. Hold up, yeah. Probably turn my back on this city. Woo. Probably flip a pack on the city. Yeah, yeah. Gotta give it back to the city. Yeah. Then I turn my back on the city. Yeah.
It's all for a reason. They changed more than the 4 seasons. I can't be left out in the 4 seasons.
I'm bleeding in God's blood. Niggas talk, they ain't us. Oh God.